Now, viewers, we keep our focus on the investigation when it comes to the mess that is playing out around the NEET examination. Now, the Bihar angle in the NEET controversy has taken a sensational new turn, with the Deputy Chief Minister of Bihar, Vijay Sinha, showing papers and documents to claim a link between the main accused of the NEET paper leak in the state with a close aide of RJD leader and former Deputy Chief Minister of Bihar, Tejasvi Yadav. Now, the RJD has denied all the allegations, but the Bihar government, that is now being led by the BJP and JDU, has claimed that the main accused, whose name is Sikandar Yaduvendu, he's a close aide of Lalu Yadav, and he was allegedly associated with Tejasvi Yadav's close aide, Pritam Kumar. As per the Deputy Chief Minister of the state, Pritam Kumar is the personal secretary of Tejasvi Yadav. He called a worker at the guest house where the accused put up students to mug up the leaked question paper. Now, the worker who was called is Pradeep Kumar. Pradeep Kumar was also paraded before the media today during the press conference of the Bihar Deputy Chief Minister. Then Vijay Sinha went on to claim that on the 4th of May, on the eve of the NEET exam, Pritam Kumar called Pradeep Kumar 3 times to book a room in the name of Sikandar Yaduvendu, one of the main accused in the case. The booking was done in the name of a Mantriji. Now, as per the BJP, this Mantriji, as they are claiming, is none other than Tejasvi Yadav. We've also accessed the guest house registry, which mentions the name Mantriji. Let's listen into the sensational allegations.
किसके आदेश पर ठहरने का उन्हें अवसर मिला था? जो जानकारी आई है कि 1 मई को तेजस्वी यादव के आप सचिव प्रीतम कुमार के मोबाइल नंबर 7488061813 से रात्रि 9:07 में पथ निर्माण विभाग में कार्यरत प्रदीप कुमार के मोबाइल नंबर 9430469924 पर NHI गेस्ट हाउस में सिकंदर कुमार यादवेंदु के लिए कमरे की बुकिंग कराने के लिए फोन आया था। उस दिन प्रदीप कुमार इस पर कोई संज्ञान नहीं लिया।
Now, let's get you details of the investigation. 13 people have been arrested in Bihar. Now, we're going to tell you one by one about these people who are being investigated by the Bihar Police's Economic Offences Unit. Like we told you, accused one is Sikandar Yaduvendu. He's 56 years old and he was working as the junior engineer in the Town and Planning Department of the Bihar government. He is accused of introducing the NEET candidates to the paper leakers or the main setters. Then the other accused in this case are Bittu Kumar, Nitish Kumar and Amit Anand. All 3 of them played a role in bringing the people, and convincing them to take the papers, the leaked papers. Now, out of the 3, one of them is Sikandar's driver. The other 2, like Amit Anand and Nitish Kumar, leaked the NEET question paper. That's the allegation they're facing. The other accused are Roshan Kumar and Ashutosh Kumar, who are linked to the mastermind. And in this case, they are saying that the mastermind is Amit Anand. They played a role of scouting for candidates. So far, like we told you earlier, there are 13 arrests that have been made in this very case. Meanwhile, when it comes to what the government is doing, they have also gone ahead and have sought a report from the Bihar police on the investigation. They've sought a complete list of the evidence, which includes the burnt question papers, the OMR sheets, the digital evidence. We are also getting to know is that they've been asked to submit the details of the evidence and the locations where the people were taken to mug up these papers and also give the examination.
Now, the another issue is regarding alleged leak in the Bihar, that Bihar Economic Offence Wing is already doing the investigation. And there are many investigating agencies in the country. Many police agencies are there, many CIDs are there, Premier National Investigating Agency hai. So when Bihar is doing investigation, we are relying on their input and we have sought detailed input. काफी उन्होंने information मांगी है, NT ने share किया है, Ministry also sought detailed information from them. Once we receive the detailed input from Bihar police, we will take action, and that action will be completely commensurate to the input which they provide, because we should leave all this matter to agency.
Now, Times Now has also accessed the damning confessions when it comes to the investigation that's going on in the state of Bihar. Now, let's tell you about the confession of one of the arrested accused. This accused is a student and is also a relative of main accused Sikandar Yaduvendu. The person's name in this connection is Anurag, and as per his confession, his uncle Sikandar asked him to come to Bihar from Kota, where he was studying for the NEET examination. He told that परीक्षा का सेटिंग हो चुका है. This is what his uncle told him. The next day, Anurag was then put in a guest house and was given a question paper and was made to mug up the answers. The same question paper, as per Anurag, was the original question paper that came in the exam the very next day. These are the details that we are tracking when it comes to the investigation. We have Rishabh joining us live. We also have Tetri joining us live, but let's go across to Rishabh. The investigation in Bihar has become the focal point of the politics that is playing out between the BJP and the leaders of the INDIA bloc. There is the Deputy Chief Minister of Bihar who has come out and has made some stunning allegations over some links. And the question that the BJP is asking is, who is this Mantri ji? What's the latest you're tracking, Rishabh?
What has happened in Bihar? There are 4 confession statements where it is very clearly established that the paper leak has happened. Vijay Sinha, who is the BJP leader and deputy chief minister in Bihar, held a press conference and says that Sikandar, one of the 4 accused, was associate of Pritam Kumar. Pritam Kumar is additional personal secretary of Tejasvi Yadav, the former deputy chief minister of Bihar and RJD leader. So now, while the Minister of Education here in Delhi say that they have sought a detailed report, in Bihar, the politics around this whole paper leak has already begun, where RJD say that whatever Vijay Sinha is saying are mere allegations, while Vijay Sinha has brought few people to suggest that whatever has happened on the instructions of Tejasvi Yadav already. So this is what politically happening. But if we talk about investigation, how did this all came to light? Sikandar Yaduvendu, who is named as one of the main accused, he was travelling in a car, and given that it was Lok Sabha elections and random checking of vehicles were happening on the Bailey Road. Bailey Road is the main arterial road of Patna. While the checking was happening, his car was stopped, and while the car was looked at, cash, admit card and OMR sheets were found in the car. That's where the police understood that there is something fishy and started investigating. After being questioned, Sikandar revealed the whole plan. On his tip-off, Ankit, Anand as well as Nitish Kumar were arrested, and the moment the NEET paper got over, as per the confession of Anurag Yadav, he was arrested. So this is what's happening in Bihar. This is the focal point that has happened there. And Anurag Yadav is not the only student who has been named by Sikandar. There are other students as well. As of now, total of 13 arrests have happened in Patna itself because of the paper leak, alleged paper leak incident. In Purnia, there are 4 people who have been arrested because they were appearing for someone else in the NEET examination. So in Bihar, the focal point remains that not only there were unethical practices being adopted at the examination center, but even the students had question paper and their answer key beforehand. They were in know-how of what the question paper will look like, what the question paper would be, and what the exact questions would be. And after that, the police started investigating. The confession notes are in our possession as well. We have seen that. We have shown it to our viewers as well. Now the Ministry of Education say that we have sought a detailed input from the Economic Offence Unit of Bihar Police. Right. Depending on the input from the Bihar Police, Ministry of Education will react and take action. They will not shy away from taking action, is what they are saying. UGC NET has been cancelled. Opposition is very clear. When are you cancelling the NEET? Here at Shastri Bhavan, the PFA, I can show you the visuals that the students have gathered, and their major demand is A, resignation of union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan, and banning of NTA. NTA is something that they say is the main culprit. They have not been able to conduct examination in a free and fair manner, and they are the main problem with this whole controversy. Over to you.